Lately I have had things to just sit with no reason to find. Yet the thought of losing you is hanging around my mind. I'm frequently your wearing perfume. Ain't no easy place to find. But when they ask, will you be coming back to? Don't know, never know. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition is there, but I repeat, my eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to run. 'Cause this time goodbye. Oh, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition is dead, but I really feel my eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to cry. Cause this time could lead to Si Romuel Zabire, 20 years old, from Talisay, Batangas, ang ating first challenger sa Silver Kantaman Challenge.
Hello.
Wala po.
Ang kinanta ni Romel is Lacey at yung kinanta rin ng ating champion, si Mark Mabasa. Ito yung first song niya when he joined with this year.
Actually, song ko rin yan. Ang relate ako.
Ito, ang dahil mo song.
Oo.
Parang yun naman.
Marami yung may dadaanan sa buhay. Ito yung kasi lagi ako naiiwan. So, yun yung pinaka-ito. Ikaw na mabasa na sa piling. Una-una po, dito po, bagay sa boses ko. May parang, may pag-R&B. Ito type ko po kasi R&B. R&B mo naman.
At bagay naman talaga sa boses niya. 2 years ka na daw sumasali sa amateur singing contest. Paano naman ito tumulong sa'yo at sa'yo?
Ayun po, pagka po mga amateur singing contest, kalilitan po mga fiestahan. So, ang ginagawa ko po, sumasali po ako gabi-gabi. So, pag wala pong patok, pinamagan, or kaya po ng schedule, sumasali po ako pag nananalo naman po, alas gabi-gabi din. Ayun po, yun yung pinatutugtog ko sa pagkaan ko. So, by that po, nakakapag-support ko. Ayun naman pala.
May kasama ka ba pumunta dito sa Dede?
Opo, kita ko po. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Tita.
Ayun.
For your support.
Kaya parang kapatid mo lang, oh.
Oo nga eh, mga kapatid lang kayo. Alright, let's ask Chris. Hi, Romel.
Ano po? Ang course yung dalawa, let's ask Chris. Sabay talikod, let's ask Chris.
Ikaw talaga nagsimula. Oo, kayo talaga.
Okay.
Romel, tatanungin kita. May girlfriend ka ba?
Meron po.
Ay, alam mo na kung bakit. Kasi nung nakakainag yung boses mo, kahit ako natulala ako, kahit sinong kantahan mo, mapapasagot mo dahil nakakainag ang boses mo. At saka buong-buo yung boses mo, and yung lyrics, kapag yung mga salita, malinaw, naintindihan ko yung ibig sabihin ng kanta, mahusay ang ginawa mo.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Punta naman tayo kay Michelle Obamso and kay Ate Glow.
Hi, Roel.
Roel.
Roel. Amateur, ano pa lang ba siya?
Sa amateur, first time
oo. Pero gano'n ka talaga kumakanta?
Trick ko. Kumakanta na po.
So that's why, you know what, their voice is highly developed. You can actually pass for a pro. Very professional ang pag-attacking sa kanta, right? Oo, kasi yung control mo sa sarili, yung pagbuka mo ng bibig, yung paglabas yung hangin, parang suabe-suabe. So, take na yung kinanta mo ng late, ay napakahirap niyan. One of my favorite songs from Stevie Wonder, si Stevie Wonder pa naman parang kung kumakanta lang parang ano talaga halima o talagang kukumanta. Yeah, and you chose a very difficult song, and my Kumari and I, we are very familiar with the song, and we know the notes to expect, the high notes to expect. And with your performance, all we can say is that you were kind of safe, because there were notes that you chose not to reach. Instead, you went for the safe one. So, sometimes, because it is a contest, you should take this, and you should try to reach for it. And because this is the song, and this is the level of expectation, it's either you be a par with it, or you know what, you make lamp. Kasi naramdaman namin na powerful yung voice mo, na mas kaya mo pa sana, mas may maibigay pa na mas okay pa doon, at mas mahuli pa. Kasi ang ganda ng boses mo, Roboy, walang halong zero. So siguro ang magiging karagdagang komento ko na lang, siguro pumunta ka na nakarago sa lalim para makita mo kung okay ba yung mga mannerisms, yung mga gestures mo. Kasi kanina, parang ang sensitive mo, all throughout the song, parang isang kamay lang yung gumagalaw sa'yo. Dito lang. Yeah, you try singing in front of the mirror at around 12 midnight, bring a candle, and in the middle of the song, you will see the woman of your dreams. It could be me or it could be my Kumari, right? No, ikaw na lang. Good job, Romulo.
Okay, brought to you by Yanni and Era.
Thank you so much. Thank you rin kay Bayan Santiago Jr. sa Philippine Virus.
Akala ko.
Tinulat din sila yung Sunday yung ginawa namin yung Philippine International. Okay, ang ating sky, sino yung boy chatting 50% performance